It's the 27th of July and we're out at a place called Berryfields Farm. Nice little bungalow that's been sort of reconditioned at the moment. I've come out here to do something a little bit more unusual than I normally do, and I've already been here for a couple of days. I didn't think it'd be interesting enough to film, but it's quite involved. I've dug all these roots out of this piece of ground here, which took almost a day actually. There was a big tree as well in there which I took out, and I've actually moved the root around the other side and took it over the field for burning. As you can see, all these roots were well and truly in the ground. All this rubbish in it. Sifted it all out, and there's all this stuff here as well, and down and around the side of the building. This here, that was all overgrown. This is all the stuff that came out of it. I actually started doing along the wall here now, which is a very delicate job because there's some big strong roots in there. I'll show you that in a minute. All this has got to come out, and all this here, and that's all full of roots, and they've been dug out. Got to root through it again yet with a bigger bucket. All this lot here, out of here, and these flower beds are falling to bits, so I can't really do too much on here. These roots will take a bit of digging out, so this wall's crumbling a bit. That tree there was in here. That was difficult to get out because this as well is all crumbling, and along here as well, and still got loads to do yet, so I've got to get on with digging that out. That's the nearest one that we've got to do up to now, and then we've got to go around the other side and do some more. It's the last day here today. I've only been here 2 days, but done quite a lot of work, and hope to get most of it completed today. This one here is proving to be very, very tough because it's up against the wall as well, and sometimes the roots go under the wall and you can damage the wall as well, so we're going to get on with that for a bit. Well, I've dug out an awful lot from around there and I can't really see what's holding it, but something definitely is. It's not one from the top. It bends, but it won't come any further than that for some reason. I'll have to go around and have another attempt from a different angle. Alright, so I'm going to have to from a different angle. It looks as if I'm actually making some progress here. Just the roots out, but it's overhanging the wall and going into the wall, so I've got to be very careful so I knock it down. I've actually dug down there about 4 foot and it's ready to come out. I don't know whether it might be an idea to leave it there, get a chainsaw and cut it off where it is to save damage on the wall. I'll just give it a few more nudges and see what happens. Well, it seems like an electric chainsaw has appeared. The man of the house, Mr. I don't know what his name is actually, but I'm dealing with his daughter Melinda. So let's get in there and do a bit of chainsaw work. Well, the electric chainsaw's a bit blunt, but I've cut through a few branches. I'll try and move my way with the digger now. I'll cut a bit more off and I'm pulling it out now. It's still offering a lot of resistance. Well, it didn't look like a very big tree to start with. This is only half of it. Do a bit of manipulation. Well, here it comes. There's a few loose bricks on the wall over there, so not too bad though. Just the top course, they were loose anyway. That's out. Good. Well, here's another one coming out. You can see even here, look, that root to start with, 2 foot down in the ground and it's still solid. Well, there it comes out after all that. Over a 2 foot deep hole just to get that little root out. What it's been like. Oh, got all that back wall. Look at that, nice stand up there. They're going to set fire to where it is. On this bit down here, the steps was the last bit round here, and I'm going to go up around the back and do that. The one that goes over there as well. Hello baby, hello doggy, hello baby. Well, it's 4:30 in the afternoon, the last day here, so I've dug out all that undergrowth from down the side of that wall today, all the way down there, stacked it up, and also these flower beds over here. It's all got to be moved. I haven't got time to move it because it's my last day, so I've got to go around and try and dig that out. There's the greenery over there. If I've got enough time, I'll work a little bit over, but I'll do what I can, but I'm not sure that I can get it all done. I'm just going to put a bit of grease on the machine now and take the little bucket round. Well, I started on this area at the front. It's like 6 o'clock in the evening. I started on this about half an hour ago. There's a couple of big roots already, and there's these two now that are just on the verge of coming. Well, I've got nobody to film it, but as you can see, I've got those roots out. I'm going to fill the hole back in now, and I don't think there's any more, but I hope it's not. Well, time to go, all done. 6:15, all finished. I think everybody's happy. Yep. Well, that's me all loaded up. I didn't get to use the dumper after all, but it does need the dumper to take everything away, but they said they're going to do quite a bit of work themselves, so we'll wait for them to struggle and call me back, no doubt. It's been quite intensive, but I've enjoyed being here. A nice little job. Yep, kind of 6:15 in the evening. Go back and get this unloaded. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Mind you, I don't think I've got any photos of me on this job, actually, so just thought I'd let you see my beautiful self before you go and say, well, who was it that did that job? Anyway, everybody's happy. Emil, the husband, he is in the house, but he's not really good on the camera, and he's camera shy, so he says thanks, it's a great job, and he's given me some money, and he said no doubt we'll see him again, so watch this space. Bye.